Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to download Instagram highlights. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open up Instagram, then go to your profile or to someone's user profile and then just tap add a highlight. Unfortunately, there is no feature on Instagram that allows us to say these highlights directly to your device. However, we can use simple trick. So just open up highlight and then just take a screenshot. To do that, you need to quickly press power button and volume button at the same time. Open up highlights and then press it. Just like that, that will take a screenshot. We can open it up, and if you would like to do, we can do so. Let's say I would like to crop it. Just like that. Just drag it in that way to save the changes. Top add down and then save to photos. That will save these photos, this photo to our camera. Here we can check that. However, if you would like to save video highlight to your camera roll, you obviously cannot take a screenshot, but you can record your screen. To do that, first of all go to the settings, then control center, and then make sure that screen recording has added to include controls. If it is not added here, scroll down and add more controls. Search for screen recording and then tap at the plus sign next to do it to add it to include controls. After that, we will be able to start screen recording from our control center. Here it is, we can just stop on it, and after a 3-second countdown it will start recording our screen. Then we can go to Instagram and we can start playing video highlights. Just play till the end, and after that top right here to stop recording. Screen recording video has been saved to our photos. If you go to photos right here, we can find it, and then we need to edit it for a bit. To do that, top edit and very stop. I recommended you to trim it from the start, just like that, and from the end just drag it left or right. Okay, and then also we can crop it a bit to do the top right here at the sign, and in the same way drag it from the top and from the bottom to apply the changes. Top and done, and then save video. As you can see, we have just successfully saved video highlight to our camera roll. That's how you can easily save photo and video Instagram highlights to your phone. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.